Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today we are going to do an easy and happy experiment to do at home. So for that we required paper tape, 3 cm copper wire, a cell, 2 safety pins, 1 D battery and a magnet and 2 clays for support. If you don't have clay, then it is okay. So first of all, we need to take the small wire and wrap around the small battery. Leave this much wire. You need to leave this much wire. Can you see? Now wrap it. So I have made this roll like this, and you have to make opposite to each other. Can you see the ends are opposite to each other? You need to tie it tightly. Now you need to put the wire other side, and now you need to take the D battery and take the safety pin, and this round you can see it should be upper side, and you need to stick it with the help of paper tape. I am using the support. So you can see the rounds are at the upper side and distance should be up. Now I am going to use my support, and this is very dangerous. First of all, you need to take the copper wire and place it inside the safety pins upper side. You can feel little bit hot. Now you need to place the magnet at the middle. There should be distance in the magnet and the copper wire. And let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Now it will continuously moving when I roll it. Now I am going to roll it. So it continuously rolls.